Dear friends, beloved passengers on the planet Earth, we are traveling on this Earth itself, moving, spinning and revolving around the sun. We have to create a world where there is joy, peace and serenity. A world free from all violence, what you can say, non-violent world, a loving and affectionate world. Trying to help everyone, trying to educate everyone, trying to make the world free from all hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts, ignorance, foolishness, greed, anger, every negativity, because that is going to jeopardize the beautiful planet Earth. Not only that, as my best friend Abraham Lincoln said, we should not only fight for the rights of the human being, because all mankind are created equal, but we have to also fight for the rights of the animals, birds, beasts and plants, because we are a part of the environment. We are the children of the nature. Birds, beasts, animal, plants, all combined together is this living planet Earth. We have to learn to live in harmony. I'm deeply shocked to see that people are criminals. They indulge in violent activities. They hurt and harm other species who are not that clever. They are so cruel that even they kill the wild kings and emperors of jungle, lions, tigers, leopards, hyenas, wolves. Of course, had I been controlled, I could wish that there should not be such kind of carnivorous animals, because they kill the innocent lives. Lion, tiger, hyenas, wolves, leopards, they are killing innocent deer. They kill buffaloes, bisons, all these helpless creatures. I don't like to kill anyone, because I am a yogi, so I feel Vasudev Kutumbakam, the whole universe is my family. As I love my mother, father, daughter, sons, wife, better half, all friends. So my fraternity and friendship is with the entire universe. Not only mankind, but birds, fish, animal, plants. My heart melts. I start crying once I see people killing animals just to gratify their hungers. They kill innocent animals. I don't know why they are doing that. They kill buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep, rabbits, hens, peacocks, pigs, everything they kill and eat. I am against that. Once you are yourself a very short-lived creature, how can you kill other living creatures? You have to learn to be kind towards them. Learn from Buddha. Compassion, kindness, affection, creativity. That's the message. Love everyone. Care for everyone. Protect the environment. Protect every species. Learn from Darwin. Survival of the fittest. You may be the fittest, but those who are helpless, innocent creatures, don't kill them, because that will be the greatest sin we are doing. Thank you for watching this video. This is Yogi Virendra Yogi, a naturalogist who loves everything, birds, fish, animal, plants. I believe in universal brotherhood, peace for all, joy for all, cheerfulness for all, happiness for all. Not only for humans, but for animals also. My best siblings, Abraham Lincoln said, fight not only for humans' rights, but also fight to your full might for the rights of the innocent creatures, that is called animals, birds, beasts, plants. Come, become wise. Love everyone.